Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The euro edged higher as risk appetite picked up while investors awaited a European Central Bank policy meeting later this week. Asian shares joined US stock futures in making cautious gains ahead of US inflation data. Companies in the United Kingdom will see how a 4-day work week affects their productivity and employee happiness. It's part of a 6-month-long pilot program. This means thousands of workers in the UK will be able to savour an extra day off with no reduction in pay. The dollar advanced modestly as a boost in risk appetite sent US equities higher and kept gains in the safe haven in check ahead of a key reading on inflation later this week. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 4.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Germany factory orders will be released at 0600 GMT. Australia's RBA Rate Statement at 4:30 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 1700 GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2350 GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0600 GMT. And Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.